Hi, this water lily was repotted 1 month ago and it is now doing very well. It fills a 50-gallon tub, its pads are the size of my hand, and there's a lot of blooms. Prior to me repotting it, this plant was not doing well. Despite adequate sunshine, warm weather, and applied fertilizer, this plant continued to shrink. It needed to be repotted. I start by removing the root ball from the pot. Here you can see just how root-bound this water lily had become. I then sliced the root ball in several locations to make it easier to remove, and remove the compacted roots and spent media, and any dead or soggy portions of the main stem or rhizome, and I also shortened excess roots. I prepare the pot by blocking the hole with a folded sheet of newspaper. I use plain garden soil or topsoil for the new media, and prepare it by moistening and stirring until it's even. This is the consistency I'm after. I lay some moistened soil into the bottom of the pot and sprinkle in some 16 general purpose fertilizer. I cover the fertilizer so the roots don't directly touch it. Then put the plant in the pot. For tropical water lilies, plant the main stem vertically and center the plant in the pot. For hardy water lilies, plant a rhizome horizontally and leave as much room as possible in front of the growing tip. And add moistened soil until the roots are covered and the pot is filled. I return the plant to the tub by tilting the pot and lowering it slowly to minimize any dirt plume. Here's the water lily immediately after repotting and 1 month later. I hope this video helps you with your water lilies. Thank you for watching.